have a board meeting tomorrow afternoon dito sa Congress. So, wala naman major announcement except that we are thinking of putting up, we were advised that habang malapit, kailangan mo ng crisis or executive committee para sa day-to-day problems. And si Chairman Wood has told me that he's willing to do more at the 200 ito. No? Mr. Susara is in Japan dahil sa commitment for Olympics 2020. But ang key role naman talaga niya was in planning, no, and advising. So, maaring magkaroon ng konting reassignment sa roles because natatapos na yung period natin ng planning at pagpupunta ng foundation. Nandun na tayo sa day-to-day operations. No? But the partnership of the CSC, POC, and FISCOC will continue.
Sir, kasi narinig ko lang, may napag-resign siya o
Hindi naman po. We're just reassessing the role of every single person. Especially given na yung iba nating sports leaders may commitment abroad like Mr. Susara, yung sa Olympics. At si Chairman Wood, sabi niya nga, nakapago na siya sa sports, iba nakatutok na siya doon. And then we're thinking of elevating two others who have been doing, 2 or 3 others who are doing hard work, no? To positions na pwedeng sila ang maging hammer o sila magmamartilyo sa kailangan na gawin ng the next